Good morning, children. Hi, guys. My name is Parveen. I am your science teacher. So today my topic is about food. Do you know what is the use of food? So why we are eating the food? Why we have to eat the food means so the food gives us an energy for us. So if you want to do any kind of work, means you have to take in a good food. If you eat a good food or healthy food only, you will get an energy. If you have a good energy only, you can do any kind of work. So how we are getting the energy? Then whatever kind of food we have to take means we have to take the balanced diet. So balanced diet means so which contains the carbohydrates, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fat. These things are very necessary for us to get an energy. So, do you know where we find the carbohydrates? Do you know the carbohydrates means the which is very necessary for our body. So, nearly 60% of the carbohydrate is present is needed for our body to get an energy. So, in where we get an carbohydrates means in a wheat, potato. So a lot of carbohydrate is present. So with the help of wheat, we will eat any chapati and puri, etc. So and potato is we like all. Nowadays we are eating any lace also. So because in that it may get any more a lot of carbohydrate is present. So that gives more energy for us. So those who are working, suppose those who are working in the villages, they won't take any breakfast like any idli, dosha, vada, puri, like that. So only they will eat a food only, a lot of a good quantity of food and curries only. So that's why they are having a lot of carbohydrate in their body and they are doing a very hard work that we can't do. What the farmers are doing, what the workers are doing, the hard work we can't do. Why? Because in our body that much carbohydrate is not present, so we can't do that type of hard work. And coming to the proteins, so we have if you have to get a good energy, we have to eat the protein foods also. So protein foods where we will get proteins in egg, milk, fish, meat. So like that in that it will be present. So we have to eat that type of food also. So most of them likes something like the we have to eat an egg compulsory. Why? Because most of them they will eat like an omelette, but we have to eat an boiled egg. And other like to eat, they won't eat the shell which was a present yellow shell is there. So they will eat only the white. So we have to eat that otherwise because we make it an energy. Then after the vitamins, so we have to eat all type of vitamin foods, fruits, so that in that all type of vitamins are present. So that is very necessary for our body and we will get to become very healthy. And coming to the minerals, so minerals means we will get an dal. Pulses are there, so like that in a groundnut, so that are the mineral foods are there, so that it will gives us minerals to our body and it will become healthy. And coming to the fats, fats means how we will get fat to our body means oil. So we should not eat over oil. So it may get an obesity. Obesity means do you know that? So we may get an obesity and we will become fat and we can't do any kind of work. So if we will become thin, if you are thin, we can become fat. But if you become fat, you can't become fat. Thin. So that is enough. So first of all, we have to maintain. We have to take a good food, which is necessary for our body. That is a balanced diet. So in which food we will get fats means oil, ghee, curd, milk. So like that in that. So we should not take over food. Okay, we should not take any over food which may become an overhealth. And if we get once, if we get any with the oil foods, if we get any we will become a fat again in our body if the fat is reduced, so we can't become anything and we can't do any kind of animal and we will get any way for the diseases. So we must be take a balanced food. Then after that, and how to take a roughage foods. So what are the fibrous foods means? We will know the fibrous foods. We have, the fibrous is present in land. Fruits like orange, banana, and the beans are there. So in the vegetables, beans are there. So there are which the fiber is present. That type of kind of food we have to eat so that it will be very digested to our food whatever we are eating. And how to that again according to that plus you have to take in water, you have to drink and 5 liters of water also. Daily we have to drink at least 5 liters of water that it is. So what happens if we are drinking the 5 liters of water means the food which we are eating, we are taking in the morning to go into the bed, we are taking in any type of food, maybe fruits or food or snacks or anything we have or any foods we are eating. So if for the digestion of the food we have to drink the water. So all the water is not remaining in our body. So how much is necessary for our body? It will be depends on the remaining water. It comes out in the form of a sweat and urine. So we have to drink the water also. Why we have to drink the water? Is for the digestion of the food. So that this is it. So we have to drink the water. And you know that in which type you understood what I said. You understood what I said. So we have to first of all we have to eat the food. So we have to eat the good food. We have to eat the fresh food. So what night food is there again, evening's food is there again, yesterday's food is there again. We should not eat that type of food and we should not eat the uncovered food. We should not eat the uncovered food. Why? Because in that the dust and flies will be gathered and it will be spoil the food and we will get the disease. So we know that recently all are suffering with many of them. We have seen the news that many of them are suffering with the COVID-19. So why? Because the virus and the bacteria will be reaches. But if you are eating the dirty food, you are roaming in the dirty areas. So if you are, you should not eat the uncovered food. So what about in that the mosquitoes will be sick. So for the mosquito from where it was coming, we don't know, and we will spoil the food and we don't know whether the food is good or bad. So just we are in a hurry, in a playing or seeing the movie or seeing the watching the TV like that, we will eat that food only. Why? Because that we are feeling a hunger and we will eat that type of food only. And after it reaching into the stomach, we may get the diseases. So first of all, we have to eat the good food. If you eat the good food, we will become healthy. If you are healthy, we can do any kind of work. So we understood what I said. So please, what you have to do is first you write a little bit story, like a story today what I said about any food. So what is a food? Means food is a good component which is needed to our body. If we are eating the good food only, we will become healthy and we can do any kind of work. So the food must be which is the content the carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fat. Along with that, water is also is there. So if you drink the water along with all the morning to going to bed, we are eating the food. So what happens? That food have to digest it. How it will be digested? If you are most of the children those who are drinking the carriages. And a number of times I have watched that they are drinking only 1 or 2 sip of water and again they are taking the same water bottle to the houses. So how it will be happen? So you have to drink the water, sufficient water. So then only whatever maybe food we are eating, so we may get it will be digested and we won't get any constipation. So do you know what is the meaning of a constipation? Do you know the meaning of a constipation? What is the constipation means? Constipation means the food which was not digested and it will remain in our stomach and it will become hard and we may get some stomach ache like that, some gases will be delivered, and it becomes hard. And it after that, if you are suffering with the stomach ache, something is happening in the stomach ache. We don't know internally what was happening in our body. We don't know. So if you are that food was not digested, it becomes hard and it remains there, and it becomes undigested for us, and we may get diseases that are stomach ache. So stomach ache is really horrible for us. And if you go to the hospital, they will say that you have to do the scanning and you have to do that and this and that. So like that it will become an enlarge of that. Then after operation, so that this is it. So first of all, we have to eat the good food. We have to eat the covered food and fresh fruits. We have to take. We have to eat other covered vegetables, fish, egg, all type of these things. If you are eating, that is needed for our body, but we have to take a balanced it. So we have to take a balanced food, then only we will become healthy and strong. So that is the constipation, is the food which was eaten, the food that remains inside, and it was not undigested. So it was not digested. The undigested food will remains here, and it becomes hard. If you drink that water, it will dissolve the substance, the what you have eaten, it was dissolves in that, and you may get the stomach ache like that, a constipation. The undigested food will remains there and becomes diseases. So we have to drink sufficient water also. How much water we have to drink? Daily we have to drink the 5 liters approximately, nearly we have to drink. How liters are possible? Means it's a possible. We can't count. We won't count it. Suppose if you went outside for a playing or a morning walk, somebody will come and will drink one glass of water. You don't know how much water you have drank. Again, breakfast after you are drinking. After breakfast you are drinking water. Again, before going to sleep you are drinking. Again, after breakup you are drinking. Again, lunchtime you are drinking. So like that, if you are going on counting, it becomes 5 liters of water. So in a summer mix, it is more than 5 liters also we will drink. Why? Because that is it is very thirsty for us. It is very due to the hot and summer we will drink a lot of water. So due to that. We will drink more than now. It is in a winter season, so we will drink less. But how to drink the water by, because it is very needed to our body. Okay, Narshan, did you understood? Did you understood what I said? So tomorrow you write a small story about food. So whatever food you have to take, and why you have to take the food, and what will happen if you not drink the water. So like that, you have made a small notes for it. Okay now, thank you, bye.